Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. So, additive inverse. If you write a plus b mod n, okay, equals to 0, then a is additive inverse of b, and b is additive inverse of a, vice versa. Okay. So, for example, if you take a is equals to 6, b is equals to 1, under the modulo of n is equals to 7, then 6 plus 1 mod 7. Okay, so if you take this one, 6 plus 1 is nothing but a 7. 7 mod 7 is equals to 0, because 7, if you write 7 1 just 7, remainder is 0. 7 mod 7 is equals to 0. So we write as, see, additive inverse of 6. Additive inverse of 6 is 1, or additive inverse of 1 is 6. We can write like this. This is what we call it as a additive inverse. Now come to the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. For example, if you take a into a inverse equals to 1, that means 5 into 5 inverse equals to 1, or else 5 into 1 by 5 equals to 1. So, for a, the additive inverse, for a, multiplicative inverse is a inverse. Okay, we can write as 3 into 15 congruent to 1 mod 14. Okay, so 3 into 5 equals to 1 mod 14. We generally write in cryptography 3 into 5 congruent to 1 mod 14. Instead of equal to, we can write congruent. Congruence means instead of equal to, we write in cryptography is congruence. Congruence means equal to. Okay, 3 into 5 means 15. 15 mod 14 congruent to 1, right? That means if you take 14 here, 15 here, 14 1 is 14, remainder is 1. So this equation satisfies. So this 15 now, 3 into 5 mod 14 congruent to 1, or 3 into 5 equals to 1 mod 14, right? So now the question may ask as, what is the 3 mod 14 multiplicative inverse? What is the multiplicative inverse? What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 14? Okay, what is the multiplicative inverse? What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 14? If you face this question like this, multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 14, if the question will be faced like this, you need to write as 3x equals to 1 mod 14. Now instead of the x, what the value here is 5. So 3 into 5 equals to 1 mod 14. So instead of the 3, multiplicative inverse is here 5, right? So like that you can calculate the multiplicative inverse. Okay, so this is a simple method to find the multiplicative inverse. Similarly, we have a another type to find the multiplicative inverse, that is Euclidean algorithm. That is extended Euclidean algorithm. So with the extended Euclidean algorithm also, we can find the Same 5, 3, we can find the multiplicators of 3 mod 14. Okay, let them try here. So first to write the q coefficient, big number a, small number b. So the a should be big, so b should be small. So the condition is here a greater than b. Okay, q, a, b, remainder is r, and x1, uh, x2, and x is equals to x1 minus x2 into coefficient. This is the formula. Okay, now we have now after solving this type of problem, multiplicative inverse, the same problem can be solved using the extended Euclidean algorithm. This is another method to solve the same problem. It is a simple solution, but for the largest values, the question asked, extended Euclidean algorithm is the only one choice we have. That's why we can solve the multiplicative inverse for the long numbers using the extended Euclidean algorithm. So here 3 mod 14. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 14? Okay, so here 3 is the small number, that's why I can take it as a b, and 14 is the big number, that's why I have taken it as a so smallest number can be taken as a b, biggest number can be taken as a. Now a is 14 and b is 3. Okay, now if you 3 and 14, 3 4s are 12, remainder is 2. Okay, so coefficient is 4, remainder is 2. Initially x1 is treated as here 0, x2 is 1. By the way, you need to write the uh, table like this: coefficient, big number and small number, and big number with small number, coefficient value what is our value, and the remainder what is the value. X1 is here, x2 is here. X is equals to x1 minus x2 into q. Okay, so 14 divided by 3 means coefficient is 4, 3 4s are 12, remainder is 2 here. X1 is 0, x2 is 1. So x is equals to 0 minus 1 into 4. So that is minus 4. Okay, and this uh, now this 3 is shifted to here and 2 is shifted here. Now 3 by 2. So 2 divided by 3 means 1 2 is 2, remainder is 1. So the coefficient is 1 and remainder is 2 1 2, remainder is 1. So 2 divided by 3, 2 1 2, remainder is 1. So remainder is 1, coefficient is 1. Now this 1 shifted here, minus 4 shifted here. Now formula x1 minus x2 into q. 1 minus minus 4 into 1. Nothing but a 5. 1 minus 1 minus minus of 4 means 5. Okay, now 2 is shifted here, 1 is shifted here. Mali again 1 and 2. 1 2 is 2, remainder is 0. So the coefficient is 2, remainder is 0. Okay. Now this minus 4 shifted here and sorry. This minus 4 shifted here and this 5 shifted here. Okay, now minus 4 minus of minus 5 into 2. This is coefficient, minus 4 minus of minus 5 into 2. Okay, now what is the value? Minus 4 plus 10 is the 6 value. Now this 1 shifted here, this 0 shifted here, this is cross value, minus 4 shifted here, 5 is shifted here, and this 1 by 0 we don't get the value, such that no need to find the value of x2 and x value. Okay, anyway this is 6 is shifted here and this value is not needed to go for it. So this final value after 0, final value is 5 here. See, the same 5 we get here also. So this way you can find the multiplicative inverse for the 3 mod 14. Again I am quick recapping of you. So big number is taken as a, small number is b. 3 divided by 14, remainder is 2, coefficient is 4. Okay, x1 initially you assume that it is a 0, x2 is 1. 0 minus 1 into q, x1 minus x2 into q formula. So 0 minus 1 means minus 1, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Now 3 shifted here, 2 shifted here. 3 divided by 2, coefficient is 1, remainder is 1. Now 1 shifted here, minus 4 shifted here. 1 minus minus 4 into 1 means 5. Okay. Now 2 shifted here, 1 shifted here. 2 by 1, coefficient is 2, remainder is 0. Now minus 4 shifted here, 5 shifted here. Okay. Now minus 4 minus of minus 5 into coefficient means 6 value. Minus 4 plus 10 is 6 value. Okay. So this is 6. Now 1 shifted here, 0 shifted here. 1 divided by 0, no need to write the value. So cross, and 0 shifted here, minus 4 shifted here, and this 5 shifted here, and this 6 shifted here. This is not needed for us, because whenever we get a 1 by 0 value like that, then automatically it will be invalid. So final here the 5 value is the multiplicative inverse. Like that you can identify the extended Euclidean algorithm. I will give you another problem to you. The same problem also we can solve here, such that you will get a clear picture how to solve the multiplicative inverse in a extended Euclidean algorithm. Okay. Here itself I try to solve the problem. 4 into 7 equals to 1 mod 27. 4 into 7 means 28 equals to 1 mod 27, right? So 27 divided by 28 means 127, 77, remainder is 1. So this equation is perfect. Now the question is 4 multiplicative inverse is 7, right? The question is what is the multiplicative inverse of 4 mod 27? This is the question generally will ask. So this equation can be written as 4 mod 27 equals to 4 mod 27 multiplicative inverse is how much? Okay. Now, in fact, we know here for the logic. Now the same can be solved with the help of extended Euclidean algorithm. Actually, here we can easily identify that 4 into 7 means 4 multiplicative inverse is 7. Okay, let them try in this method. Big number always be the A. 4 mod 27, this is A and this is B. So 27 is big number, 4 is the small number. So to 4 and 27, 5 4 is 20, 6 4 is 24, and remainder is 3. So coefficient is 6, remainder is 3. X1 is 0 and 1. So this is 0 minus 1 into 6. So nothing but minus 6. Okay. Now shift this 4 here, shift the 3 here. 4 divided by 3. So that means 4 divided by means 3, 1 is 3, remainder is 1. So coefficient is 1 here and the remainder is 1 here. Now 1 shifted here, minus 6 shifted here. Okay, now it is 1 minus minus 6 into coefficient is 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So here the answer is 7. Now 3 shifted here, 1 shifted here, and 1 divided by 3, 1 3 is 3, remainder is 0. So the coefficient is 3, remainder is 0. Now minus 6 shifted here and 7 shifted here. So it is minus 6 minus 7 into 3. That means minus 6 minus 21 means minus 27, minus 27. Okay. Now this 1 shifted here and this 0 shifted here, and this 1 by 0 means coefficient is nothing and remainder is 0. So this is 7 shifted here and minus 27 shifted here. So there is no need to do this problem, do this this thing, and this 7 is the multiplicative inverse of 4 mod 27. We know that 4 into multiplicative inverse means 7 equals to 1 mod 27, as we already solved here, right? So like that, if any problem is given for finding the multiplicative inverse, you can easily find this multiplicative inverse, which is very useful in cryptography to solve the problems, very complex problems. So I think you get benefited from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share and comment on this video. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.